In this video, I'll explain what dividend investing is about, the pros and cons of dividend investing, and whether you should invest in a company based on its yield. We'll also see some of the most favorable stocks in Indian stock market for dividend investing. What is dividend investing? When you invest in any company with an expectation of earning sufficient dividend as an income from the said company, it is known as dividend investing. Investors favor those companies with a better dividend yield. Wait, what is dividend yield? Dividend yield is nothing but per share income an investor earn. It is represented by percentage. The formula is annual dividend per share divided by market price per share. There are two types of dividend. We have final dividend, which is paid once in a year, and then we have interim dividend, which is paid in between the financial year and can be paid n number of times as per the wishes of the management. So why is dividend investing favored? I have put down 5 important points in favor of dividend investing, and here are they. Point number 1, passive income. Dividend is a great source of passive income. Investing in a quality business that has given consistent dividend for several years gives an assurance that the dividend payout stays same or increase over the years. Thus, this type of investing gives passive income to investors. Point number 2, strong financials. In one sense, dividend paying companies gives a notion that their financials are stable and strong, and the company is flushed with liquidity. If not, the only other reason for a company to pay out high dividend would be illegal. Point number 3, predictable. A stable company with a consistent track record of dividend payout will be predictable cash flow for investors to rely on. Point number 4, reinvestment. Your dividend can be reinvested back into the company that paid the dividend. Thus, increase your dividend income every year, consecutive year, by repeating this process. Point number 5, safe and reliable. Dividend investing will give an investor a safe and reliable source of income. An investor need not wait entire period of investment empty-handed because he or she will be getting dividend throughout the time. Now let's check out some of the reasons why dividend investing are not favored amongst individuals. Dividends are a part of company's revenue, and when they are paid out to investors indeed benefit, but the company will lose out one of the most important resource, that is cash. They just give it out instead of investing in their own business. And as said earlier, companies with a high dividend yield tend to attract investors. But to attract investors, when the company artificially fudge up the dividend figures, though the company's financials aren't sufficient to meet the dividend target. This would result in trapping investors by having dividend as bait. Promoters cash out their share by end of the fiasco, and large part of investors hold on to this laggard stock, which eventually stop paying dividend. So how to approach dividend investing? Don't invest just based on dividend yield. Look at the company's profitability. Look at how much the company earns and what part of such earnings are being paid out to investors as dividend. And then think, would I pay out this amount as dividend if I was the owner of this company? One should also see that the company giving dividend, will it give dividend at the same rate in future? So is there any scope for future? Following are the list of 10 companies that I believe can be worth an investment if dividend investing is your goal. If a company is giving a dividend yield of more than the saving interest rate from SBI, which now stands at 2.7%, then that's a worthy company to invest in, given the financials are strong. Hence the following list. Do a thorough analysis before investing in any of these companies. I hold in my portfolio 3 of the 10 stocks mentioned. Soon, by this weekend, I'll be disclosing my entire portfolio on this channel along with the reasoning for why I have invested in them. Be sure to check it out. Also, check the link in the description for more information about dividend investing. I have written a detailed article over it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.